Hi, I'm Sed. I'm at Europe's largest circular fashion hub, ACS Clothing, where they bring circular business models like resale, repair and rental to life. I'm going to get started by meeting their CEO, Andrew Ruff.
We operate Europe's largest circular fashion hub. So we provide services to fashion brands and retailers, which encompass, say, rental, resale and e-commerce. We're really trying to enable brands to adopt circular fashion solutions, change the way that they operate from a traditional linear model to circular solutions.